Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Make it a great night. Make sure you go vote, folks. Don't overdo, but always do your best. Always do your best, but don't overdo. When you overdo, you deplete your body and you go against yourself. It will take longer to accomplish your goal. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 72, NASDAQ up 27, S&P's up 6.5, gold contract down $3.40, trading at $1,276 an ounce. Silver up 18 cents, $18.33 an ounce. Platinum up $3, $1,003 an ounce. Copper. Where is she? Copper went to the moon today. Up 6.5 pennies, $2.37 a pound. Light sweet crude off 8 cents, $44.81 a barrel. Notes, the 10-year note down 12 ticks, 129.14. 30-year bond off 17 ticks, 162.02. King dollar up 152 ticks, 97.94. Euro is at $1.10, and the yen is trading at 105.11. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Excuse me, folks. Okay, so my take is that we're setting the B to a C up of an ABC structure on the way down. Well, what does that mean? Well, a ABC structure on the way down, folks, you come down with volume, you go up with lighter volume, setting up the B to C, and then you come back down with volume. What we have here is that yesterday you went up with 109 million shares. Today you did 101. You're going into 221 million as well as 130 million. Now, we're at 214.07. This baby can get up, I suspect, 216.70. So it's quite a way from where we are. If we go, I'm going to do the futures here because what's going to happen is that all night long when these election results come in, there's going to be action out here. In the future market, you are at 21.43. And where I expect you're going to go actually in the future market is 21.71, which is going to be pretty intense. And that number there, folks, is from the downdraft of September 9th, as well as the high of the 22nd of September. It looks to me like we can crawl all the way up there all night long. And I suspect we're going to fail up there, by the way. If it doesn't get up there, hey, we'll see how that shakes out. That's where I'm looking inside the S&P. Dow Industrials, same type of setup. The Dow looks like it wants to go up and tag that number in the Dow, and that would mean that we'd have to wait till we open in the morning. It would be 18,404. Inside the Qs, the NDX 100. Also doing the B2C of an ABC structure. Actually, this might not be an AB. It might be a consolidation. The reason being, this also looks like the amount of the retracement is more than a 0.618. So right now you did 20 million shares in the Qs. Yesterday you did 26 million. You're coming into 35 million on the way down. So we're at $117.11. You know, this baby can get up to $118, $119 pretty easily. If we go look at let's take a look at the NASDAQ futures. So futures are up $28 today. Okay, so you're at 48. Yeah, this can go up easy $80. 48.80. That'd be a good move. 48.80 would be a good move tonight. And that's where I expect we're going to actually be before we open tomorrow morning. Gold contract. Now this one's a lot tougher looking at. It's like, okay, gold was volatile out here today. 1273 was the low, 1291's the high. You know, if you look at it on a basis, it's like, okay, so this is gonna. It came down with 194,000 contracts. You're going into 233. And the low of that is 1262. So my take is that all night long. Yeah, can it go hit that? Yeah, maybe 1267. I don't particularly like how the gold contract is set up. And there's a question, is an ABC down? No, it's absolutely not an ABC down. And the reason being, we got saved by last week when this went up on the 3rd and on the 1st. It was going up way too much volume and pulling down with lighter volume. So it's not an ABC down. But what's going to save gold, folks, is silver. So silver is giving a much better identification that it wants higher price. Silver today hit $18.73, 81,000 contracts. Silver is saying that tonight, in his divergence, we're going to be up, that the metals market's going to be up. Now, the thing that's pretty wild is that what I've found over the course of years since doing this gold report, and now it's on 15 years, right, is that when the markets go up, folks, guess what? Gold goes up, silver goes up, gold equities go up, silver equities go up, it all goes up. There's not one of these deals that just, if the market's going to go up, another 200 points, which it looks like, gold's not going to go south. That's this kind of, they move together. Now, over the course of time, one's going to be stronger than the other. But when you get bullish moves or bearish moves, guess what? Even if they was going downtown, it will take the gold and silvers downtown with it. Bonds, the 10-year note still wants higher price. We had fast price destruction in the 10-year out here today. It was down 12 ticks. You still did under 1 million contracts. You're going into 1.5 million contracts. So 10-year note looks to me like it also wants higher price. 30-year bond, a little stranger. 30-year bond had light volume, but this baby here is struggling to hold on to the 160, 122 area. And good old King Dollar looks to me like it's doing also an ABC structure on the way down. We went up today with 17,000 contracts. You are coming into 25,000 contracts. Yesterday we did 19,000 contracts. So that's telling me that overnight, I think the dollar will trade up to like 98.225, which is another 300 ticks higher than we are. Give it up. ABC structure on the way down. So in the next 24 hours, let's say 24 hours really, you are going to see quite a bit of movement inside this marketplace. The cool thing, what I'm liking right now, is that it's actually in harmony, it's the 10 years want to go higher to me. The dollar index wants to finish an ABC down, but by going up. The market wants to finish an ABC down by going up. Deviant, man. Deviant markets. Beautiful thing. You stay right there, folks. Man, Mr. Andy Heck's going to be coming up next with us. Dow up 72, NASDAQ up 27, S&P's up 6.5. We're going to be right back.